Oh shit, it's already 2. All right. Anybody know what happened? Hello, hello. What's up, guys? I'm going to assume no rate hikes, but I haven't checked yet. Basically the same range we've been in majority of the morning. 890, 800. Whichever side breaks, we're going to go with. I'm going to lean towards downside, but it is also a major major bounce zone. So let's see what side it breaks. I mean, honestly, that wasn't much of a reaction at all. 50 points back and forth. Literally nothing. Maybe it's gonna be a nothing burger. We'll see. Oh yeah, absolutely nothing. No change. Okay, that's what I assumed was gonna happen. I'm kind of tempted to try shorter on 860 or maybe 890. See if we got any. It's been ugly today. Mm, Let's get some new fibs going. All right, yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna see which side breaks, guys. That's all I'm gonna do. Literally nothing else. Not much else to do. Whichever side of 890 or basically 800 breaks. 800, 900. We'll just call it 800, 900. That's all we're gonna do. Oh, shit. That's all we're looking for. And again, I'm leaning short side. If we get up here and we can't break, just go short, target 800. Maybe we get the break, maybe not. Let me size down a little bit. Just doing 3 micros on whatever play I take. You don't want to go too crazy because Powell is going to talk in 20 something minutes. That's when the probably the real direction is going to real direction is kind of going to show itself. Might, like I said, might not be until until Powell goes on. Yeah, it doesn't talk till 2:30. Yeah, exactly. So let's see. Let's see. So far, this is worthless almost. Literally nothing. We had like the 50-point little up and down, right back to where it started, and then now honestly nothing is happening. We came up to that 860 level I mentioned. If anybody took a short, I would trim out. We're at hitting a fib. But I mean, I think we're going to break to the downside, but I'd like to see some confirmation. Maybe I'll layer in just do like 1 micro to start just to see if it's gonna be right. So if we pop back up to like 840, 850, I might go short. But I kind of just want to watch and see how everything's going at the moment. And if it doesn't break, it doesn't break. You don't have to take a trade. Okay, so we did break this Fibonacci line. It's just from recent swing highs, swing lows. Literally drew it from here up to somewhere up there. Where the swing high was. Here it is. So you can kind of see on the smaller time frames, this fib line has been holding. It's been a pretty big flip level on like the 1 minute. All right, so at 860 level, that play worked out. Now I want to see if we're going to break to the downside under 800. This 808, if 808 goes and we get a candle close below it, it's pretty much game on for shorts. I'm gonna put a order in here. just in case we pop and get a liquidity grab. If not, I want to see something like this. And then target around the 700 area. All right, so here is our 790 level. Let's see if we get any kind of close below it. Come on, give us an entry. Jesus. Might not get an entry, guys. I'm gonna put a sell around 795. But shoot, that just tanked without getting any retest or anything. Don't chase this. Do not chase this. But damn, thesis was right. Just didn't have an entry, unfortunately. Let's see if it comes back and picks us up. I mean, it's just dying now. Let me check the news tape, see what happened. Expect to see rate cut by July. Pricing in 3 Fed rate cuts. Unemployment stabilize. Okay, so wow, God, man, if anybody took these shorts, you're printing. Literally just ran right to target without picking us up. Man, that's frustrating. Literally right to our 700 target. All right, let's see if we get picked up. I'm gonna take a very, very small short. Stops are about, we'll do like 50-point stop loss, just because it's one. If we do break the 700, it's gonna get crazy. But obviously, this is chasing. This is not proper risk management or anything. This is straight up chasing. 15 points though. I mean, 20 points. Shit. All right. 25. Let's see if we break 30. Sitting at 30 points. I mean, if you got in with me. This is going to be a tough one to break the 700 though. Just a heads up, we could bounce. Let's actually put a stop loss in place. There we go, 40. Come on, give us this break past this Fibonacci line. We're golden. Come on. Come on, give us this break. Ooh, not sure if we're gonna get it. Man, that's literally their last stand. Literally. If Bulls cannot hold this yellow line, game over. This is gonna be like a 100-point play if it falls. Come on, give us this break. Got a micro in. I'm out. There you go. Good job. I'm really curious if this is going to break or not. The 700, man. The 700 is holding on for dear life. I'll be a little upset if this stops us out, but you know, it is what it is. Come on. Hopefully that was just a little liquidity grab, and then let's die. There must be a ton of buyers sitting at 700. Ah, they're going to stop us out. That was my full anticipated move to 700, by the way. I mean, I think I mentioned that. Ah, come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Ah, man. Probably a good long area, honestly. Gap fill at 660. Interesting. Honestly, probably let's see if we get this short up here, actually. I'm gonna keep this one. Powell's still gotta talk though, guys. 20 minutes. So I don't want a long unless we get above 800 again. I mean, if we do break 700, we can go short again. Unfortunately, we got stopped out because I do think it's going to go. I'm going to do a stop sell right under this. Stop sell just under recent lows. If we break, we break. This is chasing, and Powell is about to go on. We saw like 45 points go to get stopped out in profit earlier, unfortunately. So let's see what happens now. That was I'm kind of pissed we didn't get an entry at the 800 level. That was an easy 100 point play. Easy. Really doesn't get much cleaner than that. We just did not get a retest, unfortunately. Let's see if we can find something. Maybe hold until Powell goes on. I don't know. I'm obviously not playing that heavy, so if we somehow flash up to 800, I'm going to slam some shorts. I'm actually just going to put a resting order there. 793.75 with stops right that Fibonacci line. You got to have wide stops right now while Powell is talking and things like that. So I mean, let's see what happens. I'm not missing much right now. Can't believe that stopped us out though. That was such a good play, even though we chased. This should have just put a stop sell up here. We would have printed, absolutely printed. So looking at the news, there's actually tariff stuff going on too. Trump strategically let this news out at the same time as the rate decision. But yeah, so no backing off on China tariffs and no rate change. I'm gonna guess we go down. We're not even down 1% on the day, so it's like, what's actually crazy? Gold and the indices and Bitcoin are all down. So let's see if this gets activated. If it gets activated, we put stop loss above this yellow box, and we ride. All right, so we got it. All right, we're in. Let's put a stop loss on. This is hella risky. Hella risky. Yeah, and we're only in one. This fib line needs to go. That's either just a sweep to rocket back all the way up to 800, or we're gonna get a continuation. Kind of no in between. I'm risking like $50, $60. Looking like it's gonna be a fail. Made 700. Nice. Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a fail. That was a straight up liquidity grab. Yep, they got us. They got me on that one. All right. That's gonna be it for me. Thesis spot on. Now we're just caught in the accumulation manipulation leg. No real trades will be taken until Powell talks. Might hop back on, might not. Probably just call it a day. All right. If you're in Profit Pros and you made some money, please tag me in gains. If you want to see me live trade every day, shoot me a message or something like that. Link is in my bio, I believe. Later, everyone.